have started.
Hello everyone, Ed, Slow Car Fix. Trenton's behind the camera. We are tidying up and reorganizing the storage side of my shop today. Trenton, follow me around and we'll look at what we're going to do. This place has been kind of a disaster because I've been working on the Malibu, which I shouldn't work on in the storage side, but I have. So I need to clean out the ramp side truck and take the stuff out of it. Everything needs to come out of here. This shelf is supposed to be, that's Corvair stuff and that's Malibu stuff. I need to clean all this mess and put the tools away and organize. Take everything out. I have the bug coming home soon, I hope. And I need to reorganize things to be able to accept the bug and be able to have things, vehicles be able to get out as easy as possible. So the ones that don't get used or will never leave really is this Mustang that's my dad's and this Corvair that's my son's. So they're going to go on the one lift. I'm going to rotate these lifts 90 degrees and they're going to go on the lift that's on the inside. The Mustang on the bottom, the Corvair on the top, because I'm hardly ever going to move them. They've run and everything, but I'm hardly ever going to move them. And then the other lift will go on the outside, and this, it kind of lines up with where this little squirt bottle is where the foot will be. So you'll see that, because I think that will make things easier to get to the door, which is over here, Trenton, rather than turning a big corner in the shop. It can just kind of drive out. So I also think I had done something here with this couch area that I never used. I set this up because I had planned on having like a TV here. I don't need a TV out here. I come out here to work and to exercise and stuff, so I don't really need a TV out here. So I think what we'll do is maybe turn the couches the other way so you can sit under here and look out at the cars. That kind of makes sense, eh? No one can see you nod, Trenton. Okay, Trenton's nodding. So the cars will be this way. I am not sure which ones I'm going to put where. I do want to access the Malibu easily because I plan to use it a lot. I do drive the 57 truck a lot, and I drive the Model A a lot. And I'll probably drive the Beetle a lot. I think what I'm going to do with the Beetle is I think the Beetle will live here, backed in, because I can keep it tight to this side and still be able to get cars out over here and it won't be a problem. So I think I'm going to do that, because ideally you don't want a car where this Malibu is sitting. Hello? Hello. Okay, so the cars are out. It's kind of uneventful, more or less. The only one that needed a boost was my son's 65 sedan. The Mustang, when I took it off, it has a power steering leak, so we've discovered. I'm not really worried about that right now, because that car's not getting used anytime soon. It's just sort of in long-term storage. So let's come out and have a look at the cars. Looks like a yard sale here. 84 Mustang GT, anniversary edition, I believe. 5-liter 5-speed. My son's 65 Corvair sedan. My 61 Corvair wagon. My 29 Model A. My 61 Corvair ramp side. 57 truck, Chev truck, 350, 700 R4. There's my Malibu. It's 81 with 5.3 LS, 4L80 trans. I just finished like a 20-part video series on the resurrection of this car. So that's pretty much it for what's around here. Oh, we've got two in the shop side. My 64 Corvair Secan coupe, which was in a Secan since like 1984 or something. And my 55 Bel Air 4-door to 2-door project, long-term project. it's in there, but we're not really dealing with the shop side today. We're just kind of sorting the storage side. So we're gonna move the hoist. Okay, so we're done. We have cars stacked. Everything went in sort of okay. The Model A didn't start, but that was okay. We'll figure that out later. But now I can move 4 cars without moving anything. Does that make sense? I can move 4 cars without having to move another one out of its way. The Beetle is going to live over here when it comes home. I think this makes more sense. We were able to get the Mustang and the 65 Corvair in on the lift without any trouble at all. This is our couch area has changed, and my little exercise station is still active, and I think that's good. So please check out all my other videos and all that stuff that I'm supposed to tell you. Like, share, subscribe, and yeah, thanks for watching.